Hey everyone, welcome to this morning warm-up, a short and gentle routine to help you to wake up your voice. Are you ready? Let's go! Take a deep breath in. Lift your arms up to the sky. Breathe out slowly. Let your arms come down. Relax your shoulders. Let it go. Stretch tall, breathe out, feeling calm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly turn your head to the right. Feel the stretch along your neck. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Feel the stretch along your neck. Back to the center. Slowly turn your head to the left. Feel the stretch along your neck. Slowly turn your head to the left, back to the center. Slowly turn your head to the right, back to the center. Lift your shoulders up to your ears. Hold for a moment. Let your shoulders drop and relax. Let's move on to the next exercise. Gently roll your head to one side and slowly to the other side. Keep breathing. Roll your head to one side and slowly to the other side. Keep breathing. Slowly roll your shoulders back, releasing any tension. Roll your shoulders back in slow circles. Now roll your shoulders forward, nice and easy. Keep breathing slowly. Roll your shoulders back in slow circles. Now roll your shoulders forward. Gently lean your head back and feel a gentle stretch in the front of your neck. Bring back your head to center. Repeat a few more times. Feel the stretch. Put your hands on your shoulders, move your elbows in slow, smooth circles. Draw gentle circles with your elbows, opening the chest. Let's add a hum. Let's do some humming. The goal is to wake up your voice naturally. You don't have to push or force anything. Inhale, exhale, lip trill. Grab your straw. Inhale, exhale. Up and down. Let's wake up the chest voice. Hey, oh, hey, oh. Hey, hey, oh, hey. Let's wake up the head voice. Let's continue with vocal slides to wake up your high notes. If you do this vocal routine every morning, you'll start to feel your voice getting stronger, more relaxed, and ready for whatever you need. Talking, teaching, singing. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-up like this. Until then, see you next time.